Good. Oh, she wants kiss too. She wants kiss. Aww. Hi, Daddy.
Very good, mommy. How are you? How are you?
Oh,
Do you like
hala,
Carrie?
cut pa more. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Ate Carrie. Galis ang ate nga. What do you say to ate? What do you say, Par? What do you say when ate helps you?
Help.
Help? No. When ate helps you up there, what do you say to her?
Mommy. Do you want Auntie hold your hand?
Wow. What do you say to ate?
Auntie.
Ito sa ate. Tingnan niyo.
Auntie. You're welcome.
Hi guys. Good afternoon everyone. Uy. A cloudy afternoon in Brisbane today. It's currently 2:30 ng hapon and we are on our way to pick up Ate? No! Ate Tan! Ate Paris! We'll pick up Ate Paris. So even though malapit lang kami guys sa school, inaadahan ko yung pagpunta doon kasi very limited yung kanilang parking spot sa harapan. And kapag natatagalan kami, means kailangan namin mag-parking somewhere na medyo malayo siya. And you know, it defeats the purpose na nag-drive kami papunta doon. Kaya I try very hard na makarating kami dito ng medyo maaga-aga para makakuha kami ng spot. Otherwise, kung ayaw naman namin mag-parking na medyo malayo, we have to wait. May queue guys. My goodness, sa harapan ng school may queue. Tapos, pag merong isang aalis, tsaka ikaw na yung makukuha ng spot nila. Ngayon, that just means that hindi mo na makukuha si Ate Paris sa nila from linya nila outside pagkatapos ng school. You have to take her from the ayan, may linya na ata. Take her from the office sa taas. Otherwise, kung yung teacher nandun pa sa classroom, andun sa classroom. So dito full na, ayan. Meron pa bang isa dito? Oh, no. Yung iba naman kay very they take all this space ba? You can see, meron pa pwede isa, but see, there's no more parking in front sa school ha. It's now 2:40. 2:40 pa lang. 3 o'clock yung labasan nila guys, but kasi nga because of the parking issue, maaga yung iba. See if we can find a parking around here. So I ended up parking here guys sa road next sa road kung saan yung school ni Ate Paris. I decided na mag-park na lang dito kaysa maghintay doon guys sa queue. Kasi I like it better kapag pagdating namin doon sa school ni Ate Paris ay nasa classroom pa sila. Tapos paglabas nila ng classroom ay makikita niya kami kaagad ni Baby Celine. Yeah, we will just walk and water lang? Ling-ling?
No.
No. Ang miss na ang aking katabi. May plastic din akong dala dito guys because we will go to Coles after picking up Ate Paris. Kailangan namin magbili ng mga bagay-bagay na mga ano lang, Kasi naglagay ako ng skincare ko kanina, toner, and I realized wala nang naiwang cotton pads and ano pa bang kailangan natin sa clothes lang? Fabric conditioner. Sinulat ko na tayo, parang nilagay ko na sa notes sa phone ko kasi just in case makalimutan ko na naman. I tend to forget things kapag nakarating na ako sa store. Sinong ganyan? Katulad sa akin guys na punta ako ng grocery store kasi may bibilin ako and then pagka-uwi ko ng bahay, hala, nakalimutan ko pala ito. So kailangan ko talaga ng listahan. Show tita and tito nakbe, your toy. Show, come.
No.
No! Magdito talaga ito, tingnan nyo. Huh? Hello? Who are you talking to?
Okay, Daddy.
Daddy? What's Daddy doing? Huh?
Daddy.
Oh, Daddy. This is the bag that I am using today. Talagang bag na to guys ay will get old quickly. Kasi gamit na gamit ko talaga siya guys. Sobrang inaraw-araw ko na talaga siya. Ang ganda naman kasi guys. And very durable ba? And ala ka nak. Nakalimutan ko to. Kailangan ko pala to siyang i-pick up sa post office. Ito yung shoes ni Baby Celine tsaka ni Ate Paris guys.
Maybe
we'll do that tomorrow, anak pa. So, itong bag na to, dress down, dress up, you can do anything with it. Even though may isang nag-comment guys, nung ni-reveal ko tong bag na to, may nag-comment, and actually it's my first time na nakita ko yung pangalan niya sa comment section guys. I won't be surprised if it was his or her first time sa channel natin, tapos ito lang yung nakita niyan. Ayun yung video na nakita niya kagad-agad, and then nag-drop kaagad siya ng bombshell na comment. Sabi pa niya na kahit anong quality man yan, don't post fakes. Sabi niya nang ganun. And natawa ako guys kasi siguro ewan ko kung alam niya yung idea ng collaboration, right? I showed the bag because the company sent it to me in exchange for a review. Yes, it's my own will na tinanggap ko yung collaboration na yun, guys. It's because I like it. I like the bag. Para sa akin kasi guys, I don't care if it's real or not. And for him or her, kung sino ka man na nag-comment ng comment na yun, I totally respect you kung yung bet mo lang ay yung mga orig. Like, good on you. I'm very happy for you. But always ko naman sinasabi sa mga vlogs guys na if you're not into this stuff, like just click out. It's easy, you know? Click out ka lang sa video. I'm very happy for you to just leave the video instead of like, mag-watch ka nga tapos mag-leave ka naman ng negativity sa sa comment section ko. But again, like that's how life works, that's how vlogging works. May mga talaga kasi open tayo public, 'di ba? So lahat makakasabi kung anong gusto nilang sabihin, but you know what I mean? Like it's kasi sinasabi niya, you're a fake mom, fake ka pala kasi yung mga gamit mo fake, yung mga ganun. Sabi ko nga sa sarili ko guys, wala ka talagang mapaglalagyan ng sarili mo dito sa mundo ng dito sa mundo ng YouTube or kahit the real world. No, kasi kahit ano talaga may masasabi talaga yung mga tao. I don't have to explain myself na yung gamit kong isa ay orig, yung isang gamit ko ay hindi orig. Like, I'm just happy with my life. I think that's the bottom line, no? Like, I'm just happy with my life. I was just being transparent nung ni-reveal ko yung bag na ito ay hindi urig. Kaya nga, that's why I was in the fence of making a video about yung Chanel bag ko na urig na binili ko for my birthday. Hindi ako na what I got for my birthday or nag-reveal ng bag na yon, because alam kong may mga tao din na masasabi na, bakit ka bumibili ng mga bags na ganyan kamahal, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, ito, shino ko na nga kasi nga, obviously, collaboration nga, diba, binigay sa iyo to in exchange for a video. So, obviously, i-explain mo talaga na ganito. May masasabi pa rin naman talaga yung tao, guys. Kaya, ewan ko na lang. Kaya for me, guys, I'm just happy and I am thanking everyone sa inyo na you're just, you're also happy for me. Kahit anumang mga vlog na ina-upload ko, andyan pa rin kayo nanonood and you're super positive. Kaya, super thank you sa inyo na always supportive and hindi bitter. How are you, Ate?
Good.
Yeah, she wants kiss, too. She wants kiss. Aww. What is it?
We did painting.
Painting. I love you. We'll put it in your bag. Huh?
I forgot my certificate.
Where's your headband? Ay na, may nala na yung headband, guys. Nakita niyo yung headband na pinakita ko sa...
I think it's in my bag.
Yeah? You reckon? Who put your hat before?
Who? I put my hat.
Did you? You give it to Mama B. Nawala na, no? Kadali ba nawala na? Isang suotan lang ba? Come on, sweetheart. We gotta go. Honey. We'll go to the shop and see if we can find what's the one that you really like?
Jim.
No?
What? What?
We'll go to the shop and see if we can find a mermaid tail. We'll go before they close though, so we have to be quick. Come on. This way we get out. This way, anak. Yes, come on.
I'm not sure.
Well, we can try. Lynn. Hey. You gotta put
Can we go to a mermaid shop?
I don't know if they have mermaid shop there. But we have to go now because they close at 5:30. We don't have enough time. Come on,
Well, mine.
Celine. Be careful. Come on, the lady will come here again. And will tell us off. You are not allowed there. Mama, help. Mama, help. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Whoa. Careful. Ate. Sige. Come on. Whoop. Ready, steady. Go. Good job. Come on, ate. We gotta go because this... Tingnan niyo, may iyak ko. Naiwala niya ang kanyang headband, guys. Come on. Did you think that's our car? This one.
No. I didn't.
Okay, keep going. Sabi niya, malaki daw sa kanyang ulo when she was playing at lunchtime. Sabi ko, nilagay mo sana sa bag na para hindi mawala. Ngayon, nawala na.
I'm still scared.
It's okay. It's alright. Maybe it's in your classroom. You'll check tomorrow, okay? Darlene, you know where our car is? Yeah? Show Ate where our car is.
I know, it's there.
Where?
There. See that one there? I can see actually there. I can see it now.
Go follow Ate. What's that?
Bamboo.
Oh, come on now. Go, go. Go, go. Hold Mama's hand.
No.
No. Nak, ikaw si Megan Trainer, nak. My name is No.
No,
My
no.
number is No. Miss No.
There it is. It's a Joe. It's that one right there. Mom, can I help you?
Yes. But
Mommy?
you insert Mama's card.
The green one?
Yeah. Yeah. What is this?
I love me too.
Mermaid. Okay.
Mermaid tail.
What is that?
What if there's no mermaid
Well, we'll try other shops next time. Yeah? Tingnan nyo. Naghanap kami ng mermaid tail for the Paris kasi gusto niyong maglaro-laro sa bahay ba? We ended up getting this for Celine kasi gustong-gusto niya.
I was so glad with it then.
Oh, wow, there's two. Anyways, yeah, Celine can play with that. Ati can play with that.
Yeah,
It's $10.
I can play that too because I just like mermaids too.
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this one? What's the name of the mermaid?
Ariel.
Nini.
Mommy.
Oh, no, we will open it when we get home, okay? We'll try the other shop. May another ano dyan, oh, Go Dollar shop.
Mine.
And then Kmart would be our last resort. Paris,
What?
hopefully they have something that you like. We'll see here.
If there's not one hotel, I can get something else from the $2. We can just come back and $2 shopping.
Himo-himo sa iyang decision na kung wala daw siyang mahanap na mermaid tail, she'll just get something else. We'll come back for the mermaid tail. Wala sila doon guys sa Go Dollars. Wala. Tignan nyo. Ito din yung isang
Or if there's no mermaid tail, we can just get that.
okay, let's just go to Kmart first
And then,
and see if they have it or
and
not.
if there's no, we can go there.
Yeah, we can have a look at the gemstones, okay?
Okay, well, can we buy one? Because it's okay if we can't. Hey, stop it.
Okay. We're here at TK Maxx. Wala kaming nakitang mermaid tail for Ate Paris. We'll see if they have it here. But pumunta din ako dito guys because I love their candles here. Candles. Candles. Are you gonna help Mama choose the candles?
Any candle I like?
Mm-hmm.
Yay, but it has to smell good.
Of course. It has to. So we'll go straight. Oh. Look, we'll have a look at the bath bombs as well, remember?
Yeah.
I said we're gonna do
Bubble bath.
bubble bath together.
Yeah. Where are they? Where are
Yeah,
they?
that one.
Where?
Look, see? Bath fizzes. Mahal man nak. $17 po kaya niya eh. Ay, tag-piso diha. Tingnan niyo.
Mama, there's
May nag-clearance dito nak. Oh. Huh?
there's some here.
Yeah, hang on, let's have a look at this one. This is down to 12 from 17.
Nice.
Ooh, look at this.
Mommy.
Smell,
Can you
smell.
have it?
What do you think?
It smells good.
Smells good?
Mine. Mine.
Kapili na si Inday ng sa kanya, oh. Kaya walang mermaid. Yan na lang yung sa kanya muna.
May I can make
Alright,
a
I'll grab
beautiful picture frame.
Two.
May I can make
Yeah.
a picture frame with this and
Yeah?
roll it.
Okay. Alright, honey. Ikaw na talaga ang creative. Here's our outfit for today. Ayan, oh.
I can make
Comfy,
anything
comfy lang,
for
guys.
mermaids.
Okay, sweetheart.
I don't like the orange ones, but I like the white ones.
Okay.
Because I don't like
We're home! Hi, Daddy.
Very good, mommy. How are you? Right here. Ow! What's that?
Super glue.
Why do you keep buying a glue bomb?
Bob, she wants to do some craft for
Mermaid.
the mermaid thing. Yung pakita ko sa inyo yung binili namin, guys. Careful, anak ha! The camera
Hey!
behind you. So, Daddy Mike finished work early tonight, guys. Nag-start siya kanina early. So, tapos siya ng 5 o'clock. So, that's why. I'm happy. We've got toilet paper. Woohoo!
Super glue.
Paris got super glue. Ow, alam! That hurts na!
Here I am.
I've got like makeup. Makeup. Cotton pants. Ito yung binili namin, guys. Na, Daddy, look.
Can I smell that one?
Ocean breeze. Oh,
Mommy.
Hmm?
I like that.
smell?
Smell.
Look, Lina. So cute.
Mama.
Wow.
Mama.
Dalawa yung binili ko, guys. So that one is for $16.99.
Mommy. Hi.
Ah, yeah.
Mommy.
Here, careful how don't break it.
I want to see.
Yeah, I've got another one. This one is sea stone. $10.
Can I smell?
Sobrang. Ah! Smell this one, Daddy. Which one do you like better?
The first one.
That
or
one?
second?
First one? What do you think, honey? How about you? And wala kami makitang tail, guys, ng mermaid. So Ate Paris wanted to get this one. $8 for this. Careful, Ate. I don't want you to fall, Ate B. Please.
Okay. Wait, where's
And puno siya ng mga shells. Gusto niyang bumili siya ng glue para i-dikit-dikit niya, guys, sa mga, alam niyo na.
I'm going to glue on my hotboard.
We've got bath and shower bubbles. Pinangakuan ko yung mga kids na bubble bath kami. Last weekend, wala kaming nabiling bubble na ganito ba.
Can we start
Hindi
that
kami
thing now?
naka-bubble bath.
Oh.
About this one, it's hydrating coconut milk. Nakita ko lang doon, guys. Sa TK Maxx kasi, may mga bagay sila, mga kung anik-anik sila na wala sa ibang shops dito sa Australia. Because I think they're from, sa TK Maxx from America ba?
Yeah, but they're not called TK Maxx, they're called TJ Maxx.
Yeah, but the TK Maxx is also.
Yeah, I'm saying.
You okay?
Yeah, well, how do you open this?
Apply directly on a body, soft or hands for use in the shower tub. Working to. Yeah.
Well, mine.
Gata na good ni oy, coconut milk.
Mama. That's out.
Gata na jud. Be?
I can smell.
Ganun pala siya, guys.
Let me.
Clear pa.
Can I
Hala,
feel?
bakit itong tinatawag nilang coconut milk? Clear man.
It smells good. Can I rub it?
Yeah. What else we get? Oh yeah, this one. Revolution Skincare London Vitamin C Glow Body Cleanser.
Mama.
Vitamin C and Grapefruit Complex.
Mom.
Leave skin feeling refreshed.
Mom.
Tignan natin kung ma-refresh ba talaga
Can
ito.
I take this cardboard off?
Na, $5.
I can't take this thing off.
Oh yeah, you have to.
Cut it?
Actually, Nak, you know, Nak, you shouldn't be taking it out. It's a decoration, man, no? House decoration. But
We can cut it. Or you can break it.
yeah. Here you go. Ano pa bang binili natin? Hala! Lynn! Who said you can do that? Tingnan nyo yung ginawa niya, guys. Ay, yan. Okay. Ay, buto ng ilong.
No!
No, we're gonna... Ay, Mama, we're gonna light it. Light it, okay? Bili kami ng bread. What it? Nako! Hala, look! Look, Lynn! I found it. Ay! Show Daddy, oh. Show Daddy here. Ahem. Ano ka lagi? Show Daddy your mermaid. So, yun lang. Wala nang iba pa. Gagamitin ko itong atong kanang ito sa bedroom. So, kasi dito sa lunchroom namin, meron naman yung diffuser. So, smells good na. Guys, have a look at Celine's bangs. Hi! Pinutulan ko na naman guys kasi tumutusok mo naman sa mata niya. Look! Look, sabi! Show your bangs. Wa nagkatupong. Oy! Ay, Diyos! Ang nawong nga murag planggana nga bata. Akala ko ba hindi niya ako papayagan guys na mag-cut. Actually, she's the one who's saying like, you know, cut it. Isn't that right lang? Isn't that right lang? Ayan. Video ko kami ng arms rest.
Hello guys!
Welcome back to my channel, Dodong! Tingnan, malaki na yung...
For subscribing my YouTube channel.
Malaki na yung anak ng sister ko, guys, oh! Uy, doon po tayo si Matt!
It's not a in your plans.
Ding dong dong! Ay, shush! Kapaya! 3 months na, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang nawang baya ni Just.
This is baby. Morning baby.
Ay! Ang nawang, kakagising lang, ah.
Nawa siya, nalipay yun.
Dong! Hi sa tong vlog, Dong! Just!
Ay, mamita, hi. Mamita.
Mak, kumusta ba yung itong mga subscribers sa imo, Mak? Kumusta na lang akong sister?
Laban Japan. Laban sa
Ay na, wag ganahe. What have you got? Kakatapos ng kumain, guys, na. Hindi siya kumain ng marami, guys. Kasi gusto niya dudu. Uy! Binigyan ko ng cheese. Don't put that in there. It's dirty. Inday bangs. Eat it. Be, mama bite, be. Yummy. Sa yummy cheese. Wanna share to daddy ka? Ayaw lang. Ayaw, usik yung cheese lang. Share with daddy ka. Kay mata ka.
baby.
What would you like?
Baby.
What is it?
Baby.
Give this to ate, oh. It's yummy. Ate, oh. It's yummy. Cheese. Buti pa yung ate niya kumakain. Show. Eat.
No.
You just kissed it. How about you?
Baby. Mama said this.
Dude, shoot. Yung buhok ko nanandog. Ay, lang. Tignan nyo, guys. Exporting movie. Tignan ko kung kakayanin natin tonight na makapag upload. If not, baka bukas na yan siguro, guys. Most likely bukas. Okay! Look, they're watching us. Kisa lagi ba, ma? Mwah! I love you. I said stay.
I can carry her.
Tignan nyo, guys. Ito yung laro nila ngayon, oh. Oh.
Do you want to
Hala,
carry?
cut pa more. Tignan nyo, oh. Ate Carrie. Galis ang ate nga. What do you say to ate? What do you say, Par?
You're constantly telling me to do.
Kasi pag tinutulungan siya ng kanyang ate, straight away sabi niya, what do you say when ate helps you?
Help.
Help? No! When ate helps you up there, what do you say to her?
Mommy. Do you want Auntie hold your hand?
Wow. What do you say to ate?
Auntie.
Kasi naabot ilan to ha. Oh! Enough na, enough. That's it. That's it. Come on, we'll get ready for bed now.
Ate.
Ate, tingnan niya. Lala.
This one's hard. Oi.
Enough na ha, last one, please.
Budang
And we'll get ready for bed.
na. That's it, Ate. You're welcome. Problem after.
Okay, last one, okay? Oh,
Mimi.
mapiangan mo na. Sige na, go, go.
We're
Mano
gonna
ka karon?
that we complete.
Okay, ate, are you opening the window?
We'll just go like this.
Wow! Come down na, come down. That's it. No more, please.
No.
Tulog na yung mga kids. So, it's hilamos time, guys. Mawala ang mga abog-abog sa ating kamukhaan. So, yung sabon na ginagamit ko is yung kasama doon sa Skin Magical na rejuvenating set. So, na-dry na natin ang ating mukha. We will do Eskimo. May nag-comment pala sa inyo nito, guys. Na-member ko kasi Eskimo. So, one of you put a comment saying that magkamukha daw kami ng nanay ko, but maputi lang daw ako dahil sa aking Eskimo. Sana pumuputi sa Eskimo. Pero yan na talaga yung gamit ko, guys. Eskimo, kahit na anong kulay. Yung silka papaya, yung orange pa. Silka papaya. Papaya. Orange. Or ito white na classic glow. Yung toner ko naman is yung Skin Magical pa rin. So, ayan. Tingnan nyo. O, diba? Andyan pa rin siya. Pero hindi na siya super strong tingnan. Ito yung ginagamit ko after. So, it's the whitening cream para brighten ng dark spots. So, yun yung ginagamit ko dito sa melasma ko. Before the rejuvenating cream ng Skin Magical. So, let's get back to that chika ko kanina, guys, about someone who called me a fake mom. Just because I posted a bag, or I used a bag that's fake. Like, seriously, get a life, you know? It's material thing, guys. It's just a bag. And, you know, for you to call me a fake mom, that's just below the belt. You know, that's not the basis kung fake mom ka just because you're using a fake handbag. It's crazy. And you know what? Yes, pinakita ko yung fake handbag na yun. I unboxed it, revealed it. But it doesn't mean that everything in my wardrobe is fake. You know, I own both, like original and not. And I don't mind. I'm happy. I'm happy about them. Because you know what? As mentioned, they're just material things. Pag nawala tayo sa mundong ibabaw, kung pupunta man tayo sa langit, pagdating natin sa gate, guys, hindi sasabihin ni Senyor San Pedro na yung bag mo sa mundo, sa earth, orig or not, it means nothing, guys. Yung mga orig or not. As long as you're happy. Okay, I'm done with this one. The funny thing is, sabi pa niya, yun palang mga gamit mong mga alahas, piki pala yan. These are not fake. They're all real golds, everything, guys. So like, you're not in the position to tawag dito, judges siguro to siya, guys. Judges sa beauty pageant. Anyways, ayan, gagamitin ko na yung ating rejuvenating cream. Kunti lang naman, guys. And then, pagkatapos nun, guys, naipakita ko na sa inyo ito before. This is part of my mga kabuburitsihan tuwing gabi before going to sleep. So, this is the Coral Lash. And this is what I use for my lashes. Look. So, yung aking lashes ngayon ay stronger than ever because of this. So, hindi ako nagpagawa ng kilay for long time now. Kilay, like lashes, you know, lash extensions. Although I have an appointment next month. But that would be my first or second appointment for this year. Kasi hinayaan ko munang tumubo siya. Look, see, there's more lashes and they're, guys, like thick pa. This is really working. So, along with that one, meron din siyang, ayan, Mascara Brow. Para din sa eyebrow. Kasi tingnan nyo, see, kita nyo ng malapitan ha. Talagang, ito na talaga ang aking mukha. Ang aking kilay dyan, before, wala talaga yung buhok-buhok dyan, guys. But, I'm using this one. And, nag-start na siyang, tumubo pa. Mga kunti-kunti yan nyo, Now, can you see the difference? Dami talagang, arte ko, babae. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. See you guys. Mwah.